What up with it? Q Han at you, back with another one. Today is going to be an interesting journey. I am going to play probably some pretty whack beats. But I'm going to call this Q's Listening Session Volume 1 or something like that. I like to make a whole bunch of beats. So thus far this year, let's scroll through and I started numbering them. 68. So I think I'm going to do 10 at a time. And I'm going to just go through and I'm going to listen to beats. Some I might note that I want to do some fixes to. Others I might say that's done. And then a lot of them be like, oh, that's a cool draft, but whatever. And I'm going to just leave it be. You know what I'm saying? Unless something just call me to come back to it. But let me know what y'all do with all the beats that you make. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite things is to make like a ton of beats, even if I think they fire, and just never listen to them. Not ever. But for a nice chunk of time where I forget exactly what it sounds like. You know what I mean? I love being surprised by my own music sometimes. It's just cool. It makes it fresh and interesting. Anyway, let's go. Track number 1. And see, Air Flavor Pro and OPX1, I still had the tryout activated for that. All right, so ready for takeoff. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's off my, I'm probably about to get a copyright strike from myself. This is actually on my little beat tape flight to Dubai, where I made all my beats while in the air on the way to Dubai. It's a pretty cool little trip. But yeah, I'll play this giant. What? Oh, so I must have resequenced it. Okay. So since I did that, I'm gonna hold that. Okay, there we go. Play it in song sequence mode. And I ain't gonna play too much of each beat. I might play, you know, just enough to get the gist of what's going on. Okay, yeah. So I had 2 go first and then sequence 1. Little beat, nice relaxing chill. And I was also still getting familiar with the MPC. That flight is like, I can't remember, it's like 11 or 12 hours, something crazy like that. So I had plenty of time to just mess around and do some stuff out there. Oh yeah, my effects going and everything. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. So I got 2 track 1s. And I did a little bit of composing. I had my little keyboard up there too. Okay. Start the counter. So I made 2 number 1s. I must have had it in a different folder and then push it over or whatever. But hey, keeping it raw, keeping it real, we're going right through it. Okay. And I only got 2 sequences on that one. Okay, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Ah, did I just load the same one again? Yeah, that is. All right. So now let's go. There's a number. First day back at it. So that probably technically ain't well, I know it ain't beat number 1, clearly. But anyway. Oh, that's just a single sequence. So that's just an idea I started. Number 2, filling my hair. Also, I name my beats just random stuff. It might be, if I sampled, I'll take part of the name of the sample or do something like that. But anyway. Oh, I got a full. It opened in song mode. Normally I don't do that. I use this sample multiple times. I like doing that too. It's just getting the same sample and I flip it like 3 or 4 different ways. Got a little bass line going in there. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. cool. That's cool. Okay, that's cool. Second go around the block. Okay, so I got some numbers duplicated here. Yep, that sounds like another idea. And I make a lot of sketches because I make a lot of stuff so fast. And other times I really sit with something for a while. I remember this one. Okay. Number 3, God, I need you today. Let me let that loop one more time if I remember this correctly. I might be able to use stems on this because I didn't get this as clean as I wanted to. I'm going to use stems on this. And this is a case where, you know, you can use stems to revitalize your own track. I got this sample, but it's got like some pianos in the background. I couldn't quite get all the way out. And I just want that vocal because it's right there in key, but the little stuff in the background throws it off a little bit. In particular, like right there. But you hear the gist of it though. That's tough. Oh yeah, I'm using stems and I'm gonna get the instruments out of it and just keep focused. Oh yeah. I'm gonna remember that. I'm gonna go back, use the stems, clean up the vocals, and then we're gonna be good to go from there. Okay, sequence. No, let's see what we got here. 3, the way out. I must have started the idea and forgot I started it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. Look at that. That's just one sequence too. So it's just an idea, but really I could loop that. That's tough. I like that. I like that. That's hard. That's hard. All right. Now let's see. How many beats have I played? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 3 more. 3rd place. See, I got a lot of repeats. How many repeats? So like by the time I got to number 5, I kind of got my life together. So 3rd place. Let's see what we got going on here. And definitely if I mess with an artist, you know what I'm saying, I might play some of those skeletons just to get a vibe of what they like and everything. And then I kind of flesh it out with them based on what they hear in the track themselves. You know what I mean? So sometimes I'll leave the skeleton just to get the vibe and then kind of flesh it out if I work with somebody on it. 3rd place. And I hear my little monster coming upstairs. So if you hear baby in the background, that's my little baby. Okay, I got a little something going on here. And my other one actually in the room too, but he playing PS5. That's why he quiet. Why ain't sequence this out? Cause I hear the build up. Okay. Come on, do something now. Yeah, there you go, messing me up. Here you go, baby. Take your tap. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. You need to tweak that 808 song. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Need some tweaking, but it's cool. Which project is this? 3rd place. All right. Composition. I think I vaguely remember this one of my first times trying to compose on this thing. Oh, look, all my instruments ain't even in there no more. Oh. This is going to sound stupid because I'm just going to be putting random stuff in there. But let's see if we can find something. Sounded like it might have been interesting too. And sometimes I do this too. I mess with older tracks. Okay, I'm gonna just call that a lost cause. I'm gonna go back in there, but I don't want to take the time to do this. This is really, like I said, just a listening session. So I ain't really trying to sit here and do too many modifications. I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, hear what's going on. What I was thinking at the beginning of the year. All right. Okay, hold on. Do I got to see? Okay. I didn't sequence it out. That's cool. 3 sequences, so nothing crazy. Ooh, okay. I wonder if I even put drums on this. Okay, so I did. Okay, I kind of remember. I wanted it to just be a skeleton and just let somebody go on top of that. That's cool. Okay. And I like to kind of revisit when I hear what was I thinking. Sometimes I remember, other times I don't. All right, the last one for the day. Number 5, just be a friend. Hopefully it's good. Oh, one sequence. Uh-oh. That's a long sequence. And I actually made a different beat with this. I made like an interlude type beat with this. And that's actually the first track on my Flight to Dubai beat tape.
Can we just be friends?
Yeah, because I was mixing up different samples. I like to mix it up where it all sounds like it's from the same sample, but it really ain't. Ooh. Okay, yeah, we can end it on that. That's a good little loop right there. But hey, let me know how y'all go back and review y'all beats. Do you just go back and listen to it like me and just have fun reintroducing yourself to music that you forgot that you made? Or, you know, do you go back and do you tweak and try to refine stuff? You know what I'm saying? How do you guys go about, you know, browsing your own catalog of, you know, music? Let me know down in the comment section below. It's been your boy Q hollering at you. Until next time, peace. Just be a friend, man. Be positive out here. Peace.